Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to reactivate a deleted Facebook account. And all you have to do is to head on over to your Facebook application. And from here, all you have to do is to choose the account that is deactivated. But essentially, all you can do is just tap on the settings and privacy, and then you're going to tap on settings. From here, you're going to tap on account center. And then you are going to tap on personal details. You're going to tap on account ownership, and then you're going to tap on the reactivation. From the we're going to reactivate this account, and you're going to tap on reactivate. From there, you're going to enter your password. We're going to tap on continue, and as you can see, we have been able to reactivate the duo. So we are going to tap on reactivate. Then I'm going to enter a password again. Then I'm going to tap on continue. And that would be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I do hope that you did learn something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.